I mean, I think by doing this, you'll get 20% more on rental value.
For this unit,
Yeah, for
compared to
3,500, you get to like 40. I think you get to like 4,200.
just paying $700.
Yeah,
Watch.
8,400. 8,400 a year.
So the ceiling was low, and we decided to redo the venting and use the soffits to run all the vents, which gives us more height. And now we're going to put can lights in here. We moved the door to the bathroom. We made an area for the water heater. So now the water heater is going to be up here. We pushed the walls in to give us more space. And every room is going to have ceiling fans and new air ducts.
And this is it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath.
Correct.
So we have the half bath downstairs, and then we have
2 bath.
1 full bath here, and then another full bath in the ensuite.
Right.